Looking to learn C programming? Here are the top 5 books you need to read. Number 1 on the list is The C Programming Language by Brian Kernighan and Dennis Ritchie. This classic book is a must-read for any C programmer. Next up is C Programming Absolute Beginner's Guide by Greg Perry and Dean Miller. This book is perfect for those just starting out with C. Third on the list is Head First C by David Griffiths and Dawn Griffiths. This book uses a visual and interactive approach to make learning C fun and easy. Fourth is Learn C the Hard Way by Z.A. Shaw. This book takes a hands-on approach to learning C through practical exercises. And last but not least is C Primer Plus by Stephen Prater. This comprehensive book covers everything from basic syntax to more advanced topics in C programming. So there you have it, the top 5 books for learning C programming. Happy reading! Please subscribe my YouTube channel Tech Learning. Thank you for watching.